I love New York because it's so diverse. You can cover anything from cityscape to street photography. You can even get some landscape stuff. So what kind of experience do you have?
I have never used the DSLR before.
Okay.
I'm so looking forward to it.
I think the cool thing about New York is there's so much to take and it's all so different. So it's really nice to be at Brooklyn Bridge Park because I think it feels very much like we're out of the city. We're going to be able to capture the light coming out on the buildings, which is creating really awesome shadows.
All those pictures where the water looks like misty and smooth.
So to get that, you have to do a really long exposure. We've got the water in the foreground, going to make it look really, really smooth, almost like a cloud.
We need to be quick though. We want to get to the top of the rock before sunset.
Amazing.
So we finally made it. The view is amazing. You can really get the perfect skyline picture from here, but what else can we take?
We can even use your zoom lens and we can get some detail of the architecture, which would be really cool. Also, with this camera, we can do a 4K video. So
really?
We can give that a shot. Yep.
Super cool. I really do have the feeling that New York is the perfect playground to learn how photography works. Everything is happening constantly around us. I'm really struggling to capture people in manual mode when they move so fast.
Actually, this camera has a really good autofocus that will lock onto the subject and it will track it and keep it in focus. You see, when you press OK, it's going to follow it. And then there we go. Pretty cool, huh?
Yes.
It's incredible to see how New York changes as soon as the sun sets. And it's just great to walk on the streets and know that people are completely cool about you taking pictures of them. So all the lights just turned on and the city looks incredibly beautiful. But what sort of settings shall I use to capture this?
Okay, so the main thing with night photography is you really want to get as much light in as you can. It's the biggest challenge. But this camera has really great ISO performance, so we're going to crank it up to about 3200.
I learned so much during this trip, and I really feel confident now that I will manage to take the picture that I want to, and I'm excited to take more photos during my future trips.